Honourable Parliamentary Secretary.
Thank you very much, Madam Speaker. And I would like to also thank the Minister for her remarks. I think one of the little known success stories over the course of this pandemic has really been Canada's leadership on the international stage in order to ensure that our supply chains remain open and of course that countries don't turn inward and adopt protectionist policies. I wonder if the Minister can elaborate a little bit on the important work that Canada has done at the World Trade Organization, including but not limited to our leadership of the Ottawa Group at the WTO, in order to ensure that all countries and all peoples have access to important life-saving medical supplies, and that our economies have access to all of the inputs that are required in order to ensure a robust economic recovery.
Honourable Minister.
Well, thank you so much to my honourable colleague, Parliamentary Secretary, for that really important question. Canada, of course, is a trading nation. Nearly 2/3 of our economy and millions of Canadian jobs depend on international trade and investment. And as we prepare for a strong and inclusive economic recovery, international trade is really going to be crucial to generate growth and to create jobs. People, businesses, and the economy benefit from stability, fair, predictable, rules-based trade. Canada is a strong proponent of multilateral rules-based trade with the World Trade Organization at its core. And as a founding member of the WTO, Canada is leading the efforts to modernize and to improve the organization. We have been leading the Ottawa Group with international partners. We've been championing the Health and Trade Initiative at the WTO to remove barriers, and we're determined to find solutions with our partners and with WTO members that will accelerate the production and the equitable distribution of vaccines. From the very beginning, Canada has been at that table and working to resolve potential barriers to vaccine access, whether they be IP or supply chain constraints or export restrictions, has been the work that we have been working on. And through our leadership at the Ottawa Group, Canada is committed to working with all members at the WTO for a more inclusive, modern, resilient, and transparent system for all. Thank you.